everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add voiceover to your Canva presentation. So let's get started. First you have to open your presentation. Now go to uploads and here you will see the option of record yourself. So you just have to click on it. Now as you can see here the record voiceover option. Once you click on it you will see a red button appear at the center of your screen. Tap to start it and narrates your scripts. Once you're done with it, click on the finish button and it will download save directly to your Canva audio library. You just have to go to uploads and open your Canva audio library. Now here you will see the first voice recording. You just have to drag it and drop onto the timeline. Adjust it, trim it and manage the volumes. Now once you're done with all the adjustment, click on the play button to preview it at once, and if you find everything's perfect then go to the share button at the top right side and download it. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.